This is how to add payment method on BitGet. In this video, I will walk you through how to add your bank payment method. You'll be able to make payment using your bank account on BitGet. To do that, you come to Home, you click Home, you come to this place, you tap it, you scroll down, you locate P2P, you click P2P. This is P2P. You tap it, you come to your profile here, you tap profile. You can see under profile, you can see payment method. You tap payment method, you click add bank transfer, you click bank transfer. So this is where you add your bank. It will automatically capture your name. You put your bank name, you tap here to put your bank account, you put your bank branch here. If you don't know branch, you can put the name of town where you are, and you can also leave this empty. You just click confirm. Security verification. So you have to go to your email to input the code that I sent to you and your Google Authenticator. Immediately you authorize and you do the verification through your authenticator, your bank account detail will be captured. And you can also add more payment methods, and you can also delete the former one you added. So you now know how to add payment methods on BitGet Exchange using your BitGet app. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.